Now I want to introduce to you a 270 ml water tank. This is a detachable water tank. Let me show you how to attach it. It goes on the bottom. And here you have two magnetic metal pieces. And here you have two magnetic pieces here. And to fill the water tank, you peel back this part here and you add the water in here. And then you close it tightly. And then you take the tank and you can just slide it on, just like that. And to detach the water tank, there are two buttons on each side. You push them together and you slide it out. Now, to clean the water tank, you can peel back the Velcro here and here. And then you just slide it out like this, and you can throw this completely dry and then reattach. And this will help you get your floors even cleaner.